Hey everyone, Adam and Maria here at Fitness Together Burlington, going to take us today through the dumbbell and kettlebell pullover. So Maria is going to start by taking this dumbbell perpendicular to her torso. So Maria is going to create a diamond here with her hands, and the stem of that dumbbell is going to come right through the middle. From here, Maria is going to add just a soft bend to her elbows for comfort, and once she has that bend set, there will be no more bending that occurs there. From Maria's shoulders, she is going to let that dumbbell start to go overhead, making sure that she does not change that elbow angle. That arm is going to go overhead until one of two things occurs. The dumbbell reaches the floor, or she feels that she cannot go any further without her ribs and pelvis lifting from the floor, and then she will pull herself back right to that starting position of straight up and down. Maria really won't get much out of this exercise if she drifts forward down toward her pelvis. So again, we're going to stop right here with that dumbbell right on top. Now, if we don't have access to a dumbbell, we can grab the kettlebell. And Maria's got a couple different ways that she can grab the kettlebell. She can grab it with the bell down toward her pelvis, or she can grab it with the bell overhead. It'll totally depend on the size and how your wrists feel holding the object. But again, the same mechanics are still going to apply. Maria's going to apply a slight bend to the elbows, let those arms go overhead till one of two things: the bell hits the floor, or her ribs and pelvis start to lift, and then she's going to return herself back to the start. Again, this has been Adam and Maria here at Fitness Together Burlington.